I've recently become a big fan of iRestore. I made the investment to go ahead and purchase the laser cap for my hair. I've also been taking the vitamins, and now I've got the Biotin vitamin gummies. I've been taking these now for about 2 weeks or so. I just want to give you my thoughts on it, how it tastes, and we're also going to talk about the ingredients. Now, I liked it. It was biotin because biotin it's also B7. It's really good for hair and nail growth. And of course, on the back side, it's going to give us all of our supplemental facts. Now, it does have a little bit of sugar, just 5 grams. It's not much, but it does give it that sweetness that I like. And the consistency of it is fairly much like I'd say a gummy bear in a way, just gummies. It's just kind of soft, a little bit of squishy here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 of these every day. Each bottle has 60 of those in here, so this is going to last for a month. Now, it does have vitamin C for hair loss. It also has vitamin E, which is for your shine. And it's got carrot juice in it also, which is for skin moisture. But I do like the way they taste, the consistency. Doesn't bother my stomach whatsoever. One thing I wanted to point out, these are actually non-GMO. They don't have any artificial flavors. They are vegan. And you can see right here, there's no wheat, gluten, gelatin, peanuts, anything like that inside these, which makes them fantastic to use. Now, these do come in multiple colors. Of course, we've got our red, our yellow, and our orange. Now, the biotin levels that it does have is 10,000 micrograms, which biotin is actually good for hair and nail growth. And it also has carrot juice, which helps retain skin moisture. But I definitely like everything that iRestore has. They definitely put a lot of thought and research into all their products. And that's why I did not even hesitate at all to go ahead and start my hair journey with these two. I think anything I can do to make my hair thicker and stay in my head, that's definitely something I want. It's definitely important to me. So I'm definitely real happy with these.